They call it the demon dog of Black Hollow Road. Nobody's ever seen it up close, and lived to talk about it. Last Halloween, my friend and I drove down that road. The trees were so thick, our headlights barely touched the dark. Then, we saw it. Two glowing red eyes in the middle of the street. It wasn't moving, just staring.
It's just a dog.
Its fur looked burned, its mouth full of smoke, and every breath sounded like a growl from somewhere below. We hit the gas, but the thing ran beside the car, faster than we were driving. Its claws scraped the door, leaving deep burning marks. When we finally made it home, the car door was still hot. And there were paw prints, burned right into the metal. They say if you drive down that road after midnight, you'll see those eyes waiting in the dark.